Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you want to blend smart technology with everyday style, the Amazon Echo frames are here to make it happen. These smart glasses are designed to keep you connected, informed, and entertained wherever you go, all while maintaining a sleek, fashionable look that fits seamlessly into your daily life. Before we begin, if you want to check out the Amazon Echo frames for yourself, the link's down below. Let's start with what makes these glasses truly stand out: built-in Alexa integration. With Echo frames, your favorite voice assistant is always just a command away. You can play your favorite music, listen to podcasts, check the weather, or even control your smart home devices completely hands-free. Whether you're walking through the city, working at your desk, or cooking in the kitchen, Alexa is right there, ready to assist you. Now, one of the most impressive features of the Echo frames is their next-generation open-ear audio technology. The speakers are designed to direct sound precisely to your ears, minimizing what others around you can hear. You can enjoy your favorite playlists, calls, or audiobooks without the need for earbuds or bulky headphones. With auto volume enabled, the glasses automatically adjust the sound based on your environment, so your audio always stays clear and balanced even when you're on the move. Speaking of communication, Echo frames make staying connected incredibly convenient. You can make and receive calls with open-ear audio, meaning your ears remain open to your surroundings. And with the new top contact feature, you can call your favorite person with just a press and hold of a button. No need to reach for your phone. It's the perfect solution for busy days when you're multitasking and want to stay effortlessly connected. Another highlight of the Echo frames is how they integrate fashion with function. The newest model comes in classic black rectangle frames made with high-quality Mazzucchelli Italian acetate and German-engineered spring hinges, ensuring a comfortable fit that looks as premium as it feels. Whether you're heading to work, out for coffee, or attending a meeting, these frames add a touch of smart sophistication to your look. And for those who spend long hours in front of screens, the Echo frames come with blue light filtering lenses that reduce glare and eye strain. These lenses help improve visual comfort, making them perfect for long days and late nights spent working or relaxing with your favorite digital content. Of course, privacy is also a top priority. The microphones are designed to respond to the voice of the person wearing the frames and can easily be muted by double pressing a button. Plus, Amazon has built these glasses with a clear privacy policy. They're not in the business of selling your personal information. Lastly, controlling your smart home on the go has never been easier. You can check if you lock the front door, adjust your thermostat, or turn off your lights, all through simple voice commands. Echo frames give you the freedom to manage your smart home devices anytime, anywhere. Overall, the Amazon Echo frames are the perfect balance of style, comfort, and intelligent technology. They're more than just glasses. They're your personal assistant, communication tool, and entertainment hub, all in one stylish accessory. If you want to experience the future of wearable tech, the Amazon Echo frames are absolutely worth checking out. And once again, if you'd like to explore the Amazon Echo frames yourself, the link's down below.